Welcome to the Topic 7 review video. In this section, we're going to be talking about standard form. So if you look at all of these equations of the lines, you'll notice that they aren't in y equals mx plus b form anymore. So we have to find another alternative way of graphing the line. Here's what we're going to do. Make x equals 0 and solve for y. This is going to be called the y-intercept. Make y equals 0 and solve for x. This is the x-intercept. And then connect those two intercepts with a straight line. This one is a little bit easier. However, because it's kind of like a shortcut, it's harder to remember each time we do it. So I'm actually going to solve for x first. I'm going to kind of switch these two and do them in the opposite order. It doesn't really matter, but since x is first, I'm going to solve for x first. So here's the thing. If I make this 0, it's just going to go away. The y is going to go away, and so is the 4 in front of it, because these two are being multiplied, and 4 times 0 is 0. So if this goes away, what I have left is 6x equals 24. And what I need to do is solve for x. How do I get rid of a 6 in front of the x? I divide by it. Because 6 divided by 6 is just 1. So I have 1x basically. And 1x equals 24 divided by 6, which is 4. Then over here, if I make, for the y-intercept, I have to make x 0. So this part's going to go away, and all I have left is 4y equals 24. And then I need to get rid of the 4 in front, so I'm going to divide by 4, so that these divide to 1. And 1y equals 24 divided by 4, well, that's 6. Then you put these two things on the graph. X equals 4, y equals 6, and connect them with a straight line. So you're not using slope, you're technically still using the y-intercept here, but instead of using slope to figure out how far you go down and over, you just are looking at the x-intercept, and that tells you, oh, I'm going to go from here to here. Let's try one more over here. What you're going to do is basically write the equation without the y's, and then write the equation without the x's. Just be careful because this 2 has a negative in front of it, so you have to keep that negative there with the 2y. Then I'm going to divide by 3 over here. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And I'm going to go put that on the graph right now on the x-axis because it is the x-intercept. And then I'm going to divide this one by negative 2. 12 divided by negative 2 is negative 6. And that means I'm going to go to negative 6 on the y-axis right here. Put a point, draw a straight line through it. Okay?